Hello, I'm Dr. Mitchell Schare of the Phobia and Trauma Clinic at Hofstra University. I'm professor of psychology and the director of the PhD program in clinical psychology. In the Phobia and Trauma Clinic, we seek to help people who have problems in their everyday lives. In particular, we work on the concept of phobia. By phobias, we are talking about situations that have become extremely fearful for people. People avoid doing necessary everyday things, such as going up in elevators, perhaps going in high buildings, or perhaps taking a trip on an airplane for a necessary visit. We also treat people who have experienced different kinds of traumas, in particular post-traumatic stress disorder. Both phobias and traumas are treated through a type of therapy called exposure therapies. Exposure therapy takes a number of different forms. In the first form, we do imaginal exposure, meaning we take people and put them in imagery situations so they can re-experience their avoidant situations or their traumas. In a second form of exposure, we take people to real-world situations, perhaps have them ride elevators or walk around in airport situations. We call this in vivo exposure. In the third situation, the most technologically advanced, we perform a procedure called virtual reality exposure. In virtual reality exposure, we use computer-generated environments right here in our clinic. We can take people and have them safely walk around an airport terminal, speak in front of a large group, or perhaps even re-experience aspects of a wartime theater that they were in. We're able to have people overcome their fears and overcome their emotions by being able to re-experience these through exposure therapy. Since the Phobia and Trauma Clinic opened in the Saltzman Center, we have successfully treated hundreds of patients. We are also proud of the fact that we serve as a training center for PhD students, and we have also produced research which has been presented at both national and international conferences. Additionally, our research has been published in scientific journals. We are proud of the work that we do here at Hofstra University.